What's up, guys? So I did finally get it out of the packaging. You can see it's super reflective, so it's like reflecting random stuff in my room and my desktop wallpaper there. But presented to Chess Vibes for passing 100,000 subscribers. So yeah, it's weird to say that. That's such a big number. Wouldn't have been possible without all of you guys. So really appreciate the support. I do need to figure out a place to put this. And if you're wondering what just happened, my wife had said that I should like do one of those fancy things where you snap your fingers and like the plaque just jumps over somewhere else. And I was like, oh yeah, I could do that in editing. I don't know how to do that. Well, it turns out it's not as easy as I thought it was. Anyway, that was my attempt at doing it and kind of failed. But anyway, that's what you just saw there. All right, now I want to show you guys a video I put together, just kind of going back to where it all started and showing you some of the important milestones and how we got here. So those of you who have been following me from the beginning will appreciate this. And those of you who are new here, well, it'll give you a little bit of an idea of where it all started at. So I hope you guys enjoy. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play chess. So chess is a two-player game played on a board of dark and light colored squares. You've got white pieces and black pieces. And white always goes first, and then players just take turns making moves one at a time.
Develop castle, attack and checkmate. Chess vibes.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did putting it together. I had a lot of fun looking back over some of those old clips and just seeing like where it started and where we are now. It's amazing how much can change in just a year and a half. So if you've watched this far, appreciate you guys, appreciate all the support that everybody has given me. It's been a huge help. The last thing that I want to say, and this is not something that I talk about a lot on this channel, but it is important to me, but I do believe I wouldn't be where I'm at without God's blessing. Funny story, the 35 principles video, the one that went viral, that really was a game changer for my channel. The night that I was going to record that video, I have this routine where I eat dinner, we get the kids to bed, and then I go and record and edit and post a video, hopefully, if I can get it all done. Well, that night, my wife asked if I wanted to like read the Bible with her and pray a little bit. And I was like, well, I don't really have time. I got to go record the video. Anyway, I ended up stopping, not recording right away. We did our Bible study. We prayed a little bit. And one of the things that she prayed was that God would bless the video that I was about to record. and I ended up being able to get it all done that night. And that's the one that ended up going viral and really just being a game changer. So I know a lot of people will say, oh, well, it was just a coincidence, Nelson. It could have happened, with another video. But that's not what I believe. At the same time, I do respect that not everyone has the same viewpoints as me, but I want to be open and honest about what I believe. And I felt like this was a good time to do it. So having said that, again, thank you guys so much for the support. I think that plaque looks really good back there. And we've got a lot of exciting things coming. I actually have some new things in the pipeline, but in the next couple of weeks, you'll be hearing more about those. So stay tuned for that. I'm super excited, and I will talk to you guys real soon.